Hey everybody, Kevin from 3D Printed Props, and today I want to go over my Ghostbuster uniform purchases. And of course, we've been working on the Ghostbuster Proton Pack for a while. I am working on the electronics video, but it's a slow going one because there's just so many wires and so many LEDs. So that is going right along. We'll have one of those out pretty soon. If you want to see the other ones, click on one of the links that'll be popping up in one of these corners. I'm never sure which one, but in this video we're going to go ahead and take a look at the costume, and I sourced this from a couple different places. Again, I want to thank the Ghostbusters group over on Facebook. Really helped me out. Links below for that. Whenever you're working on some kind of cosplay, check out Facebook and see if there's a user group for it. So much information and so many great people, and I cannot thank them enough. So let's take a look at what we got here. Now, most of these things, I'm referring to my invoice here. Most of the stuff that I bought was from GB Fans out of the UK. They're a great source for, pretty much everything Ghostbusters. So check them out. So let's see what we've got here. So I'm just going to go on how I stack them. So the first thing we got here are just like a pair of chemical gloves. The Ghostbuster black sort of vinyl chemical gloves, and they look great, really high quality. And this isn't like some prop thing or anything or some costume thing. This is a glove set chemical protection with all the different numbers that are important, I'm sure, on here to make sure you don't melt your hands off. And I like that they gave you a white little pair of cotton gloves, so maybe your hands don't get so sticky and sweaty in these, which I would assume they would. So that was really nice. And those gloves were $10. So, you could try to source those somewhere, but they had them right on the site. I was just going to go ahead and get them. Now, next up are the gray elbow pads. And this one has the little black square in the inside arm. These, I'm not sure if they still might not have these anymore. They had them for a limited time. They may still. I bought them probably 6 months ago. These were $34.99. Now again, you can find some other kind of pads someplace else, but why not get the ones that really look like they're right from the movie? Spend a little bit more. Again, if you don't want to or can't, then don't. I've seen amazing cosplays where people are just using pads they get at Walmart or whatnot. If these were ridiculously expensive, they were like $60, it wouldn't have happened. I would have just went ahead and, again, bought a gray pair somewhere else and been done with it. I also got, of course, a Ghostbusters patch, and that'll go on the uniform. We got our yellow tube that goes from our suit, so we'll be attaching that. I didn't get the little plastic attachment for the suit, just because I can model and 3D print that myself. The yellow hose was $10. Again, try sourcing this and just getting the piece you need. The waste of time, I figured why not just get this. I don't think the price is too bad. Then I've got a series of the leather key fobs, and these go on your belt. That'll hold the Ghostbuster accoutrement, the different little devices and things that they hold. These ran around, $10 to $11 each. So this was a little bit of a price thing here. So 10, 20, 30, 40, probably about $45 for all these. I did look on Etsy. They were about the same, and some of the quality I wasn't really too sharp on looking at the photos. And I talked to people on the message boards, and they really thought these were high quality, and they definitely are. Metal, thick leather, really great looking. I think there's one more I need to get that I forgot, but there you go. Next up is the tan belt. And again, this is, very accurate to the movie. I got this from the GB Fans, and this came in at a certain amount that I can't find. It came, uniform belt, $20. So $20 for the belt. Now, I actually did order the overalls from GB Fans too. I got an extra large, and it was like I was swimming in it. I looked at the measurements. It seemed like it matched up. Not for my height. I'm fairly short. But I thought I could just work on those and hem them up. But the rest of it, I was just swimming in it. It was ridiculous. So I'm actually going to be selling that. And then I went to the board and I said, geez, what can I do, guys? And somebody was like, messaged me and said, hey, get a flight suit. Get a flight suit. And you'll get it even cheaper. Look on eBay. So I did. And I got a actual flight suit. Now it's got some sort of Velcro pieces added here where people obviously had their emblems and their insignias put on, but I can take those off easy with a seam splitter. They'll come off super easy. And this is just a great looking worn suit. And this is like a real flight suit. The material is fantastic. Not that the GB Fans wasn't. It was a good quality thing, but it was a lot thinner than this. It didn't have that sort of aged look because it's new. That's not any knock on them. But man, I was swimming in it. I couldn't fill that in that thing if I tried. So this thing fits like a glove, and I am super, super happy with it. Now, I actually did order the overalls from GB Fans too. I got an extra large, and it was like I was swimming in it. I looked at the measurements. It seemed like it matched up. Not for my height. I'm fairly short. But I thought I could just work on those and hem them up. But the rest of it, I was just swimming in it. It was ridiculous. So I'm actually going to be selling that. And then I went to the board and I said, geez, what can I do, guys? And somebody was like, messaged me and said, hey, get a flight suit. Get a flight suit. And you'll get it even cheaper. Look on eBay. So I did. And I got a actual flight suit. Now it's got some sort of Velcro pieces added here where people obviously had their emblems and their insignias put on, but I can take those off easy with a seam splitter. They'll come off super easy. And this is just a great looking worn suit. And this is like a real flight suit. The material is fantastic. Not that the GB Fans wasn't. It was a good quality thing, but it was a lot thinner than this. It didn't have that sort of aged look because it's new. That's not any knock on them. But man, I was swimming in it. I couldn't fill that in that thing if I tried. So this thing fits like a glove, and I am super, super happy with it. Last thing that we're going to look at are the boots. So now, like most cosplays, the last bit is usually the most expensive bit, and that's the boots or the shoes. I always find that. If you want to be super accurate, they end up costing you an arm and a leg. The good news is, with like this in my My Bloody Valentine cosplay, if you look on eBay and you take your time, you can find the right boots. So I put a search in to notify me when the, I never say this right, Kokorian 995 boot, it's like a military boot with a zipper, when they would come up for sale. And then I check and see if it was my size. And believe it or not, within like 2 weeks, these guys came up. They look fantastic. You've got the iconic zipper up the side, going on the angle. You've got the flap. These are the boots. It says right inside exactly what they are. And I couldn't believe it. What I was most amazed about is I got them for $30. That was less than the flight suit. I mean, these boots are crazy expensive. And believe it or not, they had them in an 11, which is my size. So I just bought them. I didn't even think. I did a quick once over to make sure they looked right, make sure they weren't the wrong pair. But wow, I could not believe it that I got these boots. So take your time, look around, and you're going to be able to find the right stuff that you need at the right price. I looked at a lot of different Flight suits, I saved a lot as favorites. I just looked, once a week, once a day, just to see if something new popped up. And this thing came around, and I can't remember, did I tell you how much this thing cost? I think I paid $40 for this, maybe $35, which is of course less than I paid for the brand new one from GB Fans, which again, great site, nothing on them, but super, super happy. So I've got the boots, I've got the uniform, the overalls, got the gloves, the belt, all the little holders here for my little attachments that I need. I think there's one more again I need to buy. Other than that though, I am ready to go. Oh, my name tag. I have it. It's somewhere. I can't find it. I'm probably going to have to buy another one because I've been looking for it for 2 hours before I did this video. So I have one. I'm going to have it just be Volo so that I'm my own Ghostbuster in training. And yeah, I can't wait to suit up. If you're wondering when that's going to be, once I finish the electronics, which will probably be another couple weeks, and that video comes out, then we'll do a full dress, maybe even for Halloween, because right now it is October, what's the date today? October 9th. So who knows? Maybe I'll be ready by Halloween. I don't know. I doubt it, but I'm going to try. So now that I've got the whole suit here assembled, except my name tag, which I can't find. I looked for an hour before this video. I'll look a little bit more, and then I'm going to buy another one. And it just says Volo. So I'm really excited to be able to put that on once I get everything put together. Now, once I finish the electronics, which should be about a week, then we can do a full suit up. And I'm really, really excited about that. I'm going to try to have it done before Halloween. Today is October 9th. I don't know if I can, but I think it'd be fun to go out there and hand out candy dressed like a Ghostbuster. So that'll be interesting. So now that I've got everything I need uniform-wise, we will do a suit up once I have the Proton Pack done. I'm working on the electronics. I should have that done probably in about a week and a half, and then we'll do a complete suit up. I'd like to shoot for Halloween because today is, I think, October 10th, and I might be able to have everything done by then. I'm not sure. We'll see. And if you want to see, what a segue, please click like and subscribe. When the next one comes out, you'll know about it and you can watch. Guys, thanks a lot. Take it easy and have a great day.